Hey Glam Dolls, so I'm here today to share with you all this eye look that I created by using my BH Cosmetics 42 Matte Creamy Eyeshadow Palette. It looks like this right here. I purchased it in my local Marshalls. This eyeshadow palette is what was used to help to create the eye look that you're seeing. So if you want to see more on how I put this eyeshadow palette to use, just keep watching this video and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. I'm starting out by priming the entire mobile area of my eyelids, and with the one for my fingertips, I'm going to take this primer and blend it up towards my brow bone. And then I'm using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in a color called Medium Deep to help set that primer. And I'm using this as a transitional color to help my eyeshadows to blend together more smoothly. So I'm also using a eyeshadow base. Now I'm new to using eyeshadow bases, but baby, it has really helped to improve my eyeshadow game. Using eyeshadow bases has really improved on helping my eyeshadow's pigmentation to pop that much better. I don't know why I wasn't using them before, but I bet you I'll be using them from now on. So here's the palette, the super fun part. I'm taking that color closest to my natural skin tone. It's slightly darker than my natural skin tone though, but with a pointed precision blending brush, putting it directly in the crease, I'm blending in a windshield type motion, building up the intensity to the color that I want. And these eyeshadows are not chalky when applied, they blend effortlessly easy. I'm going to go back into the palette with a flat shader brush and pick up that nice smoked out charcoal gray color. Patting it on the entire mobile area, well not the entire, midway mobile area of my eye. I'm leaving the inner tear ducts free. Again, patting it directly on the outer perimeters of my eye, and I'm leaving the inner tear ducts free. I'm just patting it on with a flat shader brush. I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to pick up the light gray, and now I'm going to come a little bit closer, more towards the center area of my eye. I'm only putting the light gray on the center area of my eye. Again, I'm using a flat shader brush to do so. Now I'm going to go back and pick up another eyeshadow base. This one is called Milk and it's by NYX. And I'm only putting it in the inner tear ducts. This is what's really going to help to make the next eyeshadow just pop that much better, which is this mustard color right here. Here we go. Gorgeous, gorgeous. See, using that white eyeshadow base really helped to make the color of this eyeshadow stand out that much better. Again, I'm using a flat shader brush, but I'm only placing it on the inner tear ducts of my eyes, and this is where I'm applying the mustard color. And with a flat shader brush, I'm still applying it in a patting type motion. So now I'm going to take a little bit of this black. You're going to hear me use words like a little, tiny, and not much. But the littlest amount of this black is going to go a super long way. I'm focusing that in heavy on the outer V. This is what's going to create the definition and smokiness in my eyes. Off camera, I did the false eyelashes and wing liner. And here's where I begin to pull the entire look together by blending in my foundation with my facial blending brush. Once I get my face blended together, I'm then going to move into highlighting and contouring. So I'll be highlighting by using my Maybelline Age Rewind Dark Circle Eraser, and I'll be placing that underneath the areas of my eyes. And I'm using my e.l.f. Contour Cream Kit by e.l.f. Cosmetics, and I'm putting that along the perimeters of my face. With a silicone beauty blender, I'm going to blend out that highlight. I'm going to blend out that contour. Using a silicone beauty blender is something new that I've been doing lately, and it has really helped save a ton on my makeup product, because using a facial blending brush or beauty blender tends to absorb the product. The silicone beauty blender doesn't do that. So I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out and use my liquid highlighter from Dollar Tree. I keep telling you all to stop sleeping the makeup that is sold in your local Dollar Tree. $1. Look at this. $1 is doing that. That liquid highlighter came from my local Dollar Tree. It is by LA Colors Cosmetics. If you're an official glam doll, you know my love and obsession for LA Colors Cosmetics. I'm such a huge fan to that brand. However, this is sold in your local Dollar Tree, and it's $1 that's giving me this gorgeous highlight. Now I'm going to add my blush. I'm not much of a blush wearer. I'm really not. So a little bit of this blush is going to go a real long, far way for me. Just going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. And now I'm going to outline my lips and apply some lip gloss, some lipstick and lip gloss, and voila. This is my completed look. I'm applying my MzGlamourAddict Cosmetics Basic Nude Lippy, topped with some lip gloss, and not bad, huh? Everything I use will be down in the info box below. Check there for details, and I will see you in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.